chrome spinning. You see the boss grinning. I'm loving these damn women. I let two get in. She tried to let the rest fit in. I'm like, no, love, that's forbidden. I ain't for squishing. That's a problem to the will well. Trust, I know them 20s real well. Now we coasting. Me two chicks and toasting. I turn up the volume, watch the bass get them open. Soft spoken with a wild side.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy it. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L steps, he ain't stepping on shit till it's pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it, let's do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since he signed, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Yeah, for real.
You see all the times that I had to go slide. 21. Too many sticks. You go to war with whoever ain't never been by.
Good morning, guys. So I got to Chicago yesterday. When I got in, y'all, it was really just like so busy, but you know I'm vlogging this trip, so we definitely gonna recap yesterday. Yesterday was so fun. So when we got in, we went to Giordano's, and then we went to Bean. The Bean was really nice. And then we went to go eat at Maple and Ash. And then they wanted to go out, but I couldn't go out because I just had like so much going on, y'all. Like I was just so tired, honestly, because like the traveling and all that, that's really why I haven't been recorded. Plus, I was trying to take pictures, but I had to figure out something that was going on with my G7X. So that was a whole nother thing. So today is my older sister's graduation. She mastered it. So I had to meet her at the hotel at 9:30 just to be on the safe side so we could get there by like 10:50. But I'm definitely gonna vlog today, if not with my camera, with my phone, because I don't know if I could bring this big camera in here. And I do want to get the DJI like pocket thing to make it like more easier to vlog, and I'll just have it like handy there. But y'all, I'm living Chicago. I'm definitely a city girl for real. Like I was for real just like walking around like I knew where I was going. Like I'm a city girl at heart for real. That's what I realized about me. But last night was just literally so fun, so cute. It was literally a dream. Literally. Like the bathroom's nice, the bed's nice, the shower's nice. Everything is just like so nice. And I really like the room. I feel like the room, like it fits me and my vibe. Like y'all already know we got the content coming, we got the videos coming, but y'all look at my view. My room's kind of a mess right now, but I'll show y'all. So that's my outfit. I don't like when I record over here that it starts doing that black stuff. So this is the outfit, really cutesy. Top from Zara, jeans, I don't know where, my YSL bag. And then I have my little cute like kitten heels on. So what time is it now? It is 8:48. I have to be at my sister's hotel by 9:30. So I'm gonna eat breakfast. I'm probably gonna leave here at like 9:10. And then yeah, we're gonna be headed out to the graduation. Like I told y'all, I wish I could really bring this big camera, but I can't. So I'm gonna be vlogging off my phone. And I had to delete CapCut to get extra storage, but whatever. Whatever. So bye. I want you to stay. I'm in the grave. Right away, dead and buried. I'm in the casket you carry. You go and go So yeah, at the graduation, it was supposed to start at 11. It's like 11:10, and we're waiting for it to start. I feel like this is gonna be a long graduation. I think it's undergrad and all that good stuff, but we're here. We should stick together, and I said I'd never think I 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I be doing shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always say come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real. I know you ain't no good for me, but you feel so good to me. Every time I come back, I try to leave. So how you end up back with me?
You already know what I'm doing.
The roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30.